In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Gemini. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Dark mode has become increasingly popular across various platforms, allowing users to enjoy a more comfortable visual experience, especially in low light conditions. Not only does it look sleek, but it can also help reduce eye strain and potentially save battery life on certain devices. So let's dive straight into how you can enable this feature in Gemini. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Gemini account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and go to the link provided in the description below. That link will take you directly to your Gemini login page. Once you get there, simply log in with your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you're ready to proceed. Now that you're logged into your account, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see a little gear icon located near your profile picture. This gear icon represents the settings for your account, which is where we need to go next. So go ahead and click on that gear icon. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, a new settings menu will pop up. This menu is where all the magic happens. Look through the options. You're searching for a section labeled Theme. This is where you can make the changes to your display settings. Click on the Theme option, and you'll be presented with a couple of choices. The good news is that Gemini offers you two main themes, the light theme and the dark theme. If you want to enable dark mode, simply click on Dark. This will instantly change your interface to the dark theme, and you'll notice how the colors and background adjust to give you that sleek, darker appearance. On the other hand, if you ever decide that you prefer the traditional look, you can always switch back and select light instead. It's a straightforward process, and you can switch between themes whenever you like, depending on your mood or the lighting in your environment. The dark theme can be particularly beneficial while using the app at night or in dimly lit spaces, as it helps reduce glare and makes it easier on the eyes. And that's it. Once you've clicked on your preferred theme, the changes should take effect immediately. No additional steps required. You are now enjoying the dark mode in Gemini, and you can navigate through your account with a fresh new look. Remember, if you ever want to revisit these settings, simply repeat the steps. Go to your Gemini account, click on the gear icon, find the theme option, and make your choice. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide has made the process of enabling dark mode in Gemini clear and easy to follow. Don't forget to leave a like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Happy browsing in your newly themed Gemini.